Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 12S Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So, firstly, open settings, scroll down, and as you can see, okay, so let's start with the most common and important features, okay? So, firstly, scroll down in settings and find here, maybe not scroll down, but scroll up, find here My Device, click on it, and here find storage. As you can see, I have used only 45 gigabytes of 256. And every device, you need to remember it, every device, all devices, new devices, iPhones, Androids, so all devices, even smart bands and smartwatches, if you will fill up the storage over than 70-75% full, so your device, any device, every device will start to slowing down. So Xiaomi 12S Ultra device 2, if you will fill up your storage over than 70%, it's maybe between images and audio. So if you will fill up the storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So never fill up your storage over the 70%, and your device with really great processor will always in good condition. Okay, great. Okay, go back. As you can see, here we have RAM. All processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM. Now in 2023, as you can see, here I have 12 gigabytes of RAM plus 3 gigabytes. It means that I have 12 gigabytes plus 3, so summary, I have 15 gigabytes of RAM. All processes are running in RAM, all apps are running in RAM, all background apps that are running in background, so background services as Messenger, as WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, they are running in RAM. And here again, the winner one who invests in a device with more temporary storage, but on our device we have 12 gigabytes and it's really good. But after years, in, I don't know, 2025, maybe 12 gigabytes, it will not good, okay? So maybe in 2025 or 2026, we will need to have 15 gigabytes or I don't know, 20 gigabytes of RAM, because per years applications stands maybe less effective. They losing effective and they consuming more RAM and internal storage. So maybe in the future we will need to have more temporary storage. So in your Xiaomi device, you can open settings, then scroll down, find additional settings here, then scroll down again and find your memory extension, and you can extend your RAM up to 3 gigabytes. So in this way, you can add to your normal RAM 3 gigabytes from internal storage. Because you have really fast internal storage, you can extend using internal storage your RAM, and it's really great feature. And of course, I suggest you to open Cleaner. Cleaner is pre-installed app on your device. I suggest you use Cleaner maybe once a week. Using this feature, you can clean up your junk files from your device. And you need to do it from time to time because it's Android, it can't clean himself automatically. So you need to do it manually. You can find this feature using normal settings. So just open settings, My Device, storage, and here you will see Clear. And using using this button, you can open Cleaner using settings. Okay. Next step is to disable unnecessary features. So we have really great display, really great. But our display has Quad HD, has 120 Hz, and it consuming your performance. So I suggest you to disable these features if you don't need it. For example, of course 120 GHz is really great feature. With 120 GHz your screen will smooth, but it will consume your battery power and your processor performance. So I suggest you enable 60 GHz, but with 60 GHz your display will not smooth. It will standard, okay? But you can enable 90 GHz, and in this mode, so between 120 and between 90 GHz, you will not detect the difference in normal using if you are not playing in games with 120 GHz. So 90 GHz is really great, great refresh rate for your device. And of course open display resolution, and if you have enabled Wide Quad HD Plus, so it's 4K, so I suggest you enable Full HD, because if you don't watching movies in HDR 4K, so you don't need this feature, okay? Just consume your battery power and your processor performance. And even in summer, when you want to use your device outside, so Quad HD will overheat your smartphone, and it will and your processor will throttle, so throttling will enabled, and it will consume your battery power and it will damage your battery. So I suggest you enable Full HD Plus to use in normal life. If you want to use if you want to watch movie in 4K, so just open settings and enable Quad HD. Okay, so great. And of course, the last step you can do is to open battery and enable performance mode. But in this mode, your processor will run at 100% of their own performance, and it will consuming a lot of battery power, and of course your smartphone will start to overheating. So I don't suggest you to use this feature, but if you need to improve your battery or to improve your smartphone performance, so enable it, but don't forget to disable this feature. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.